Hi, Maurice.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah. Where are we going, Maurice?
Starbucks. What are you doing?
Getting ready to play Show Hot Topic.
This is another new song that we hope to
Sweet, sweet.
Are you gonna be there?
Maybe.
Okay. Hi, Daniel.
What are you doing?
Filming you.
Why are you videotaping me?
Hi. Rock show at Hot Topic right now. Wolverine style. It's funny because they're like proportionate too.
I'm earning my scene points right now, okay? Thanks, though.
What are you reading?
I don't know what I'm doing here.
AP, dude.
Are the hometown heroes wayward?
They're gonna teach me.
No, what is that?
What are you doing, Daryl?
Oh my god. Hey, you see that black Supra over there?
No.
There's a black Supra.
Oh, yeah?
Brand new and it's called Dropkick Castle.